Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we'll be doing the battery drain test of the new OnePlus 13R. So we have the OnePlus 13R with us. Now we have a 100% battery. We'll show you the about device. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and 6000 milliamp hour battery. So let's do the battery drain test. So we have enabled the battery to the balanced mode, and we are connected to the device here to the battery. So let's start with Instagram first. So Instagram, let's start here. So we'll play here. So we'll just remove this from battery. So first hour will be on the Wi-Fi network. So we're connected to the Wi-Fi network, and you can see that this is the battery drain test. So we'll come back it after 1 hour of charging and our 1 hour of battery drain, and see how much has this in terms of the battery usage. So this is now on Wi-Fi network. So let's come back after 1 hour. So in 1 hour of usage, the first hour was on Instagram and it was on Wi-Fi usage. So we connected Instagram and Wi-Fi network, and at the end of first hour we had 97% of the battery remaining. So 1 hour Wi-Fi, Instagram 97%. Now second hour we continued with Instagram. This time around Instagram was on 5G network. So at the end of 2 hours, that's 1 hour of Wi-Fi and 1 hour on 5G network, we had 93% of the battery remaining. Now we continued with a YouTube app now, YouTube on 5G network for next 1 hour, and at the end of third hour we had 89% of the battery left. Now next we continued on with Wi-Fi network, again same app YouTube we are streaming. So at the end of fourth hour we got around 85% of the battery remaining. Now next let's go with the camera usage. So camera is one of the most important app we use regularly. So the first hour on connected to Wi-Fi, and we used 4K 60 FPS recording for 1 hour, and at the end of 5 hours camera usage, 71% battery was remaining. So now we are stopping the test. For the first 5 hours we are stopping. Now we'll see the ideal battery drain overnight. So we'll continue the test tomorrow, and we'll see the remaining battery drain. So next day we have started the test. So around 9 to 10 hours of idle, we see that 63% of the battery. So almost 8% drop overnight. The battery drain while idle was around 8%. So we started the test once again. 5G network, we started camera usage, and at the end of the 6th hour we have 46% of the battery remaining. Next we used Twitter app. Twitter is one of the popular apps. So again this is on Wi-Fi network. So once we are done with Twitter, 7 hours were completed, and at the end of 7 hours we have 40% of the battery remaining. Next we moved on to Facebook. Facebook we see a lot of reels, so we streamed some reels on 5G network, and at the end of 8th hour Facebook on 5G network we had 34% of the battery remaining. Now we continued with the Instagram usage once again. This time around we are using Wi-Fi network, and at the end of 9 hours we have 23% battery, and this time around it was Instagram usage. The next hour we are going into gaming. 1 hour of Wi-Fi gaming. In the first set we used Asphalt Unite, and half an hour we played Asphalt Unite, and the next half an hour we played the popular game PUBG Mobile, and at the end of 10 hours gaming for 1 hour we had 11% battery remaining. Let's continue with camera and Instagram mixed usage, and let's see how much time it takes to empty the battery. So now we can see that the battery has been drained completely, and we got around 10 hours 55 minutes on this device. So the OnePlus 13R battery lasted for around 10 hours and 55 minutes, which is definitely good, I would say, considering that it has a very large capacity battery, and also it has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. So considering that, this is definitely great battery life. Now almost close to 11 hours we have got on this device, but in reality you may not get this one, but why I would say is there are a lot of parameters to consider while doing the battery drain test. So this is definitely not a very accurate test, because there are a lot of things to consider because we have used social media apps. We have not done much of calls on this, so again that will depend. And if you are using a 5G network, the stability of the 5G network, the signal strength, even if you are using Wi-Fi, the stability of the Wi-Fi network, all of these play a very important role in the battery drain. So you could see that in real world you can get around somewhere around 9 hours plus is what we feel. Again, depends upon app use. The battery drain from each app will be important. So if you're using a lot of WhatsApp, then battery drain will be higher. So similarly, this is just an indicative test to show you how much the battery can last. So this is definitely not a completely accurate test, just an indicative test to give you an idea about the battery performance of the OnePlus 13R. So definitely good 6000 milliampere, and we got around almost close to 11 hours of screen on time. So in real world, you can get somewhere around 8.5 or 9 hours plus screen on time based on the apps you use. So that was the battery drain test of the OnePlus 13R. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.